Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on your browser. You can easily find several browser-based versions that let you jump right into the game without any downloads. These often include classic editions, offering a nostalgic experience. While convenient, remember that browser play might have some limitations compared to the full desktop game, especially regarding performance and features. It's a great way to get a quick fix of block-building fun. For a more robust experience, you can explore Java-based browser emulators that mimic the desktop game. Many online clients also exist, specifically designed to run certain versions of Minecraft directly in your web browser. Keep in mind that performance can vary significantly depending on your browser choice and internet speed. Experiment with different options to find what works best for your system and desired gameplay. To ensure the smoothest gameplay, always make sure your web browser is fully updated to its latest version. Clearing your browser's cache regularly can also significantly improve performance and resolve common loading issues. If you experience lag, try adjusting the in-game graphics settings to a lower quality. These simple steps can often make a big difference in your browser-based Minecraft adventure, helping you enjoy the game more. Beyond the basic options, the community has created many unique browser versions, offering fresh ways to play. For the most modern Minecraft experience without a direct download, consider cloud gaming services. These platforms stream the full game to your browser, leveraging powerful remote servers. This allows you to enjoy the latest features and updates with minimal impact on your local computer's resources. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a fantastic book recommendation and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.